So let's start with the first section, Intro to React and Next.js. Okay, just enough React and Next.js. In the freshman track, we built a very simple dApp that uses HTML, CSS and some JavaScript. In the real world, however, these types of vanilla website implementation are thing of past. Today we use a web framework to simplify the web development process. The simplest though depend on whose perspective you are looking from. If you are just starting out and have never done this before, it may take some time to understand all the necessary concepts. But in the long run, you will thank yourself and be happy that you took the time to learn it. So, the biggest and most common web frameworks used today: React, Angular, Vue. These all three are front-end frameworks, so they are really popular. While they each have their own pros and cons, React has by far taken the web development world by storm. The same is true in the Web3 space, where React is the most commonly used framework for building the apps. Throughout the sophomore track and all later tracks as well, we will be using a lot of React. So think of this level as a React crash course, which will teach you just enough to get started. This is not meant to be replacement for learning React on platforms that focus on teaching Web 2, but is to be used as a guide to understand just how much is necessary to get started so you don't get stuck in the tutorial hell. Actually, we will be using Next.js, which is an extension of React itself, but more on that later. Let's learn some React first.